I am Ferdinand Marcos, and I am the President of the Republic of the Philippines. I stand today on behalf of 110 million Filipinos.
Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. The President will now have a tour and inspection on our Negosyo at Trabajo booths. He is joined by Department of Trade and Industry Secretary Maria Cristina Roque, Pasay City Mayor Imelda Calixto Rubiano, Go Negosyo founder and ASEAN Business Advisory Council Philippine Chair, no other than Mr. Joey Concepcion, SM Supermalls Executive Vice President, Mr. Joaquin L. San Agustin. The Negosyo at Trabajo booths include the following. We have with us Kettle Corn, Globe Business, GCash, Cebuana Lulier, Philippine Chamber of Commerce and Industry, Association of Filipino Franchisers Incorporated, Philippine Retailers Association, People Management Association of the Philippines, Philippine Association of Legitimate Service Contractors, Philippine Franchise Association, PLDT Enterprise, Maya, CDO Foodsphere, Mr. Donut, Minute Burger, iFern, Kim's Diary, The French Baker, The Table Group, Wendy's, North Park Noodle House Incorporated, Hotel Sogo, CMG Retail Incorporated. Ladies and gentlemen, mayroon din po tayong Government Express booths. Ang government services ay isang one-stop shop para sa ating mga job seekers na nangangailangan ng pre-employment services tulad ng Department of Migrant Workers, Philippine Statistics Authority, National Bureau of Investigation, PhilHealth, Bureau of Internal Revenue, Social Security System at Pag-ibig Fund. Ang DMW naman ay may libo-libong overseas positions kabilang ang healthcare, manufacturing at skilled trades sa buong Asia, Europe, and Middle East. PSA, of course, for essential documents such as birth certificate and marriage certificate. NBI for NBI clearance certification. PhilHealth for membership instant registration. Membership updates, ID issuance, and orientations on benefits. NBIR for TIN issuance. Ang SSS naman ay para sa membership registration. At ang Pag-ibig ay nag-aalok ng online membership registration, MP2 savings at Pag-ibig loyalty card. BDO Network Bank Incorporated, Bank of Makati, A Savings Bank Incorporated, Whiteport Incorporated, Foundever.
Sa ito ay kinakailangan tayo na tulong-tulong na rin ang mahal natin.
Once again, ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. We may now be seated. Once again, good morning to everyone. We
see President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., Go Negosyo founder and Private Sector Advisory Council Lead for Jobs, Mr. Joey Concepcion, Honorable Mayor Emmy Calixto, our partners from the government and private sector, our entrepreneurs, job seekers, and all our distinguished guests. Good morning to everyone. At the DTI, we believe that opportunity should be available to all, especially to the micro, small, and medium enterprises, which comprises 99.5% of the business establishment, 64% of the labor force, and 62% of that is women. This is a sector that we definitely cannot ignore. We level up the MSMEs, and we grow actually the country. Napaka-importante po ang MSMEs. In each and every region, we have a lot of MSMEs that we need to actually assist. And the DTI is here to assist them as best as we can. Let us not forget na marami sa malalaking negosyo ngayon ay naging MSMEs din. Actually, SM is one of them also. We are here to assist you as best and as aggressive as we can. There are 18 regional offices nationwide, and we also have 1,400 negosyo centers nationwide. Pwede po tayong lumapit doon para matulungan namin kayo and makapagsimula kayong ng negosyo or mapaglago ang negosyo nyo. We have so much to offer, but you must take advantage of this. The regional offices and the negosyo centers hold the opportunities for each and every one of you. This actually starts from market access all the way sa pautang. Meron pa po kaming para sa inyo. But you must take advantage of this. There's so much we can offer. You can actually join our free trade shows nationwide. We also have trade shows globally. So, ang dami ng lumago, ang dami na ring negosyo ang nag-level up dahil sa pagsali sa trade shows. The trade shows have gained 207% in terms of sales, and our export is also up by 15%, the highest ever from the beginning of time. And this shows that the Philippine products are really ready for the global market. So again, this is all under the Marcos administration. So let's continue to support the different businesses para lumago po sila. We have also seen opportunities in the agriculture sector, and we must take advantage of this. When the businesses levels up, even the MSMEs level up, there are jobs that it provides. So kailangan po natin magtulong-tulong. We definitely cannot do this alone. Now it's the National Women's Month. The DTI through SB Corporation, which is a bank under DTI, has set aside 2 billion pesos for the women in business, women-led business, and women enterprises, and those women that want to start a business. This actually is 1 year no payment of principal and interest, all the way up to 5 million, and also this is no collateral. So again, for those women that are in business, let's take advantage of this. Just go to sbcorp.gov.ph. Online po ang pag-apply dito. There are many opportunities from the Philippine government for you. We take a whole government approach to make sure that we get things done, and we'll get things done. So to everyone that are into business, please avail of what the DTI can offer you. I've given a lot of my cards to all of you, so you can message me anytime and every time. Nais po ng ating Pangulo, si Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., a Philippines where opportunity is not a privilege for the few, but a right for every hardworking citizen. His leadership reminds us that we are at our strongest and most effective when we move forward together. And now, it is my distinct honor to introduce the leader who commits to strengthening small and medium enterprises and securing a better future for our nation. Ladies and gentlemen, the President of the Republic of the Philippines, His Excellency Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Thank you, Trade and Industry Secretary, Secretary Chris Roque, who I was listening to Joey when he introduced her to say that she is one of the hardest working cabinet secretaries. We should amend that one of the hardest working people that I know. And also Go Negosyo founder, Joey Concepcion, another one of the hardest working people that I've ever met. And he is such an inspiration. Dahil kami sa trabahong ito, matagal na rin namin ginagawa ito na pinopromote natin mga MSMEs. But Joey has been doing this for decades. And it is clearly a labor of love for him. And we should be very grateful to have champions for MSMEs like Joey. The Pasay City Mayor, Mayor Emmy Calixto Rubiano, my fellow workers in government, our partners in the private sector, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Masaya akong na makasama kayo ngayong araw upang ilunsad ang trabaho at negosyo. Marami sa mga kababayan natin na nagsimula sa maliit na pangarap, isang food cart sa kanto, isang pwesto sa basar, isang online store na pinapatakbo na nagsimula lamang sa kanilang mga bahay. Ngunit hindi madali ang pagsimula at pagpapalago ng isang negosyo. Maraming MSME ang nakaharap sa iba't ibang hamon, kakulangan ng puhunan, limitadong access sa mamimili, access to market, mabilis na pagbabago ng ekonomiya at ng teknolohiya. Kasabay nito, marami ring mga kababayan natin ang nahihirapang makahanap ng trabaho, lalo na yung mga tumutugma sa kanilang kakayahan at ang kanilang pinag-aralan. Kaya narito tayo ngayon upang magbigay sa MSME at mga kababayang naghahanap ng trabaho ng inspirasyon, suporta at pagkakataon. Today, we live in a very uncertain world. What many of us have studied and developed a decade or even just a couple of years ago are sometimes we find no longer relevant. Industries are being reshaped by digital technology and artificial intelligence or AI. Traditional jobs are transforming. The skills that were once optional, now they are essential. Naniniwala ko kayang makasabay naman ang mga Pilipino. Alam naman natin na sa kabila ng mga hamon, maabilidad at madiskarte ang ating mga kababayan. Marunong tayong maghanap ng paraan. Hindi natin sinusukuan ang problema kahit na ano ang hinaharap natin. Hindi hadlang ang makabagong mundo sa ating pagunlad. Bagkus, gagamitin natin ito upang magtagumpay pa sa buhay. Panatilihin lang natin ang tiwala sa ating mga sarili. Huwag matakot sa teknolohiya. Pagbutihin ang ating mga kakayahan at samantalahin ang pagkakataon na dumadating sa atin. Tulad na lamang ng pagkakataong ibinibigay ngayong araw, ang trabaho at negosyo na programa ng Go Negosyo. Dito, may learning session kasama ang industry expert at thought leaders at magbabahagi ng kanilang kaalaman at karanasan sa larangan ng pagnenegosyo. May job fair na nag-uugnay sa ating mga kababayan at employer mula sa iba't ibang sektor. May mga one-stop shop pa na serbisyo na isinasagawa ngayon para magbigay ng pre-employment assistance at advisory service ang ilang ahensya ng gobyerno gaya ng DTI, ng TESDA, BIR at iba pa. Makakaasa po kayo na patuloy ang administrasyon na ito sa pagpapaunlad ng kasanayan ng ating mga kababayan. Ang pagpapalakas ng mga programang makakatulong sa bawat Pilipino na makahanap ng trabaho. Sa pamamagitan ng mas pinalakas na employment program, kabilang na ang skills training at business mentoring, mas napapalapit natin ang trabaho at pagkakataon sa ating mga mamamayan. Noong nakaraang taon, nakapagsagawa tayo ng mahigit 2,300 job fair sa buong bansa. Mula rito, higit 74,000 na job seeker ang kaagad na nakatanggap ng trabaho. Itong Enero lamang, 47 job fair na ang naisagawa natin at mula rito, mahigit 2,400 ang hired on the spot. Ibig sabihin, dito sa job fair pa lang, nakakuha na sila ng trabaho. Kasabay nito, pinapalawak din natin ang mga programa para sa reskilling, upskilling, at saka yung enterprise-based training ng ating mga manggagawa. Ibig sabihin, specialized training na po ito ang magtuturo ang mismo magiging employer ninyo. Para naman sa ating mga MSME, ginawa nating mas simple at mas mabilis ang serbisyo ng gobyerno. Sinisikap din natin na palawakin ang access sa puhunan at patibayin ang mga programang tumutulong sa paglago ng kabuhayan. Yung pong binanggit ni Secretary Roque tungkol sa pagtulong sa pautang, patulong sa pag-job matching. Sa pamamagitan ng mga negosyo center, mas napapalapit ang mga serbisyo ng pamahalaan sa mga negosyante. Dito, maaari kayong mabigyan ng payo, magkaroon ng mentorship at makakuha ng tulong upang mapalapit ang inyong mga negosyo sa mamimili. Inaasahan natin na ang mga programang ito ang magbibigay ng dagdag na lakas
sa kabuhayan ng ating mga kababayan. Ang isang sari-sari store owner ay maaaring makapagpalawak ng negosyo sa pamamagitan ng itinatawag na e-commerce. Ang isang bagong graduate mula sa probinsya ay hindi na kailangan pang lumuwas sa Maynila upang magtrabaho, basta't may sapat na kasanayan at internet. We equip our people not only to survive, but to succeed in this changing world. Sa layuning ito ng pamahalaan, katuwang natin ang ating mga kaibigan at partners sa pribadong sektor. Through the advocacy of Go Negosyo, we promote a positive mindset towards business, not as a last resort, but as a strong complement to our collective role in nation building. Truly, we cannot diminish the role of the private sector in helping the government address employment gaps, from identifying skills needed by industry to easing the path of doing business in our country. Kaya't hinihikayat ko po, kayo lahat dito, na pakinabangan ang learning session. Gamitin po ninyo ang kaalaman mula doon upang mapalakas pa ang kakayanan ninyo dito sa trabaho at negosyo. Because when we build skills, we build confidence. When we create jobs, we restore the dignity of our people. And when we strengthen our economic foundations, we build a stronger nation for tomorrow. Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay ang mga negosyante at manggagawang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang bagong Pilipinas.
Or experience pa. And yun nalaman ko na meron ganito na like na para caravan to na gusto ko rin i-try kasi mag-aasama na yung ano dito, iba't ibang companies, iba't ibang different na ahensya. Kumbaga, hindi na ako magpapagod na magpunta sa iba't iba, gumastos ng pamasahe. Dito kasi, one-stop shop lang to eh. Pagpunta ko dito, nandito na lahat eh. May mga different company na ako na pwedeng applyan.
Maganda siyang program para sa lahat, lalo na sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho, especially sa mga nahihirapan and sa mga pag-graduate na student is mas mapapadali sila maghanap ng trabaho, hindi na sila maghanap ng iba't ibang agency, company para mag-apply ng trabaho.
Siguro kung paano magpaikot ng puhunan. Kung paano umawak ng pera kasi sa sobrang daming binabayaran hindi na namin na paano mas palakihin. Mas marami kaming natutunan sa kanila, lalo na dun sa mentor na nakausap ko kanina. Tinuruan niya kung paano mag-ipon ng pera, paano mapalaki yung puhunan, at saka ano yung mga dapat iwasan.
Thank you so much po sa mga opportunities na katulad ng ganito kasi di na po nahihirapan yung mga job seekers na pumunta ng mga offices, di na mamamasahe kasi kayo na po yung lumalapit sa amin para makapag-apply kami. At the same time, makapagtrabaho na rin after ng graduation.
Maraming salamat po kasi bumuo kayo ng ganitong programa po para sa mga nahihirapan po mag-apply sa trabaho. Katulad po namin na graduating students na po, hindi na rin po kami mahihirapan na mag-walk-in, ganun po. Kasi nandito na po mismo sa programang ito lahat ng hinahanap po namin.
Diba guys, ang ganda ng programa ng Pangulo, negosyo, trabaho, hindi na sila mahirapan. Instant. Sana all. Ganito ang mindset ng isang pinuno tulad ng Pangulong Marcos Jr. Ang galing, di ba? Ganyan dapat. Talagang gumagawa ng kaparaanin para mabigyan ng solusyon para sa kapakanan ng mamayang Pilipino. Yan. Maglunsad ng trabaho at saka negosyo. O, di ba guys?
Kaya ang focus natin, maski na maliit na establishment, micro, small, kung may negosyo, hindi kailangan ng mga trabaho, di ba? So that will have more opportunities for those who are unemployed. Medyo contain naman yung unemployment rate natin. But alam mo, taon-taon, meron tayong mga at least 700,000 na kabataan natin na manggaling sa K-12, galing sa kolehiyo. Saan ang trabaho nila ngayon pagkatapos ng graduation? So that is something that we feel that private sector, government, and organizations like Go Negosyo and National Chamber like PCCI can really collaborate to create more jobs, no? In the sense that create more jobs, we want the economy.
Yung Go Negosyo, aside from focusing lang on MSMEs, now what we're also trying to do is focus also on trabaho. Kasi hindi naman lahat ng tao pwedeng maging isang entrepreneur. Sometimes, kung pipilitin nila na pero wala naman skill, malulugi lang sila. We're not discouraging them from being entrepreneurs, but we're trying to encourage them to first be employed, sharpen your skill, and then from there, you can determine whether you can turn that skill of yours into a negosyo. This is not the end, no? Tuloy-tuloy to. It's going to go. We're determining where the next one will be. Kasi, to me, every Filipino has to have a job. That's basic. How will you live without a job? Now, if you can't get a job, then maybe you have a skill. You know how to cook. You have a skill. Turn it into a business is another option, or be hired.
So yun mga kababayan, ang galing ano? Shout out sa mga Marcos Lily supporters, Filipino and OFW. Ayan, 'di ba guys? Ganda tong mga ideya ni Pangulong Marcos Jr. Siyempre kudos din sa DTI, lahat-lahat. Thank you mga kababayan sa inyong watching. Don't forget to like, hit the bell para lagi kayo updates. Bye and babush. God bless Philippines. There's more. Bye guys.